And it's our only one that's out right now. We recorded 2 others, but they're taking a while.
Hey, don't forget about Utopia.
Oh yeah, that's just a demo. Goes like this.
This song describes pretty much our name. The meaning of this song is pretty much spreading good nature around. That is how we developed this beautiful band name. Sort of. Sort of.
It's called The Wheel.
It's always the coming season for everything to happen for a reason. At the corner of the city street, I had a man on the phone. He gets to me tonight. A simple sound changed life. He can't set things right. Everyone needs every can do. I'll be the man that you love. I'll keep saying I'll be the man that you love. I'll keep spinning. The Ferris wheel keeps turning, turning, turning. The candle flame keeps burning, 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 burning. 20 years will pass and I see that same old beggar man. He spreads his hand through. He's looking for the time. Be the heart that you want. Still, keep spinning, spinning. The heart that you want. I'll keep spinning, spinning. Thank you very much, everybody.